a cost-conscious, competitive business world, companies need to curb wasted resources, clearly account for who is using what, and attribute that usage to specific projects or departments. Today, it's easier than ever to print documents, almost without a second thought. Most of these printouts are necessary for getting work done. But when unnecessary color pages are constantly printed, materials are wasted and costs add up to high printout totals each month. Color output that's too high, and careless paper usage. If your office is like most, you may have print output trays and recycling bins that constantly overflow with unclaimed print jobs, numerous email printouts, or pages and pages of other wasted printouts. It makes you wonder, are all these printouts work-related? Who prints the most? Can we discover where resources are wasted and modify our printing behavior? With Canon, it's easy to track how your devices and supplies are being used. In our workplace situation, Alec, Betty, and George were misusing print resources. But now Alec knows his print behaviors are monitored. Betty knows that color output is closely tracked. And George's boss pointed out that his presentations should be printed 2-up or 4-up. When users become more self-aware, workplace printing behavior can have a positive effect. There's less neglect and indifference towards printing. Workflow uses less paper and is more environmentally sound. With easy-to-use cost recovery tools in place, we can be more confident that resources are used effectively. With Canon, you gain powerful, easy ways to track usage, influence behavior, and reduce costs for your business. Users work within a more efficient workflow and print with more purpose. Now, it's easier than ever to ensure that more of your resources are being used carefully and efficiently. Canon tools can help you monitor, restrict, and influence workplace print behaviors with ease. Take a closer look at Canon cost recovery solutions today. Empower your workforce to make things happen. Let your business run